Hello and welcome to Capboard. My name is Amelie and I'm going to give you a quick guide in how to set up your equity plans in Capboard. Therefore, you go to equity plans and then you start at pools. Then you should be at this side. Here you can add pools. A pool is a certain amount of shares that you allocate to your equity grants. So you just go on add a pool, give it a name, allocate the amount of shares, either in shares or in percentage. Usually it's around 5 to 15%, and I'm just gonna say 10. And then you can choose your share class you want to take the shares from. In this case, I'm just gonna say common. Once you did that, you already succeeded in the first step of setting up your equity plans. Now you need to continue in creating your equity plans. Therefore, you just go here and creating a new plan. You give it a name. You assign from which pool it comes from. New is the pool that we just created. And then you're gonna take, you need to choose a grant type. We offer in Capboard phantom shares, stock options, stock, warrants, and SARs. I'm just going to take phantom, but in the case you don't know in which kind of grant type your shares are, please check your documents or speak with your lawyer. And if you don't know which kind of grant type you want to give out, you can check out our website and our articles and which grant type is the best option for you. Now, if you want to go deeper into the plan, you can set up your price, your vesting period, like the duration or the duration of when you want to vest, like every month, every second month. You can also assign a cliff, as well as good and bad leave conditions and a liquidity event, as well as the termination periods. You can also add a document that you want all people that are going to be assigned this plan to see, and you can also add an internal note for yourself. Now we save this. I haven't changed anything, but you could, of course. And then you go to grants. Now, grants are the allocation of the plans to people. So basically you could also import them from a CSV file, but we're gonna focus today on creating our own equity plan. And I'm just gonna choose, well, let's say employee 1 from plan new. I'm just gonna say we take 50,000 shares and choose the grant date as today. We can leave the vesting periods as it is, but if you, for example, have the same plan with a little bit different conditions for your grants for each individual, then you can also change those details here when you grant, and then you just click on save, and you just created under employee 1 a second plan. This is the plan that we just created. Exactly. So we're already done. Now, if you want to see what the employee 1 would see in this case, you can just click on this eye, because everyone that is a stakeholder and you include the email address, they can view their own equity and documents, and as well as transaction they're included. And here you can track their grants. And this one, new, we just created in this video. Now, in the case you want to keep track of the exercising of your grants, you can easily go to exercising and you would find open exercising requests here. Right now, in this example, in this company, there are no open exercising requests. Well, I hope I could help you in setting up your equity plans. If you have any open questions, feel free to reach out to us on Intercom, and thank you for listening. Bye!